Hi guys, I'm Priscilla.
And I'm Rich.
Together,
We make DIY Nautical Dream. What's DIY Nautical Dream, you might ask? DIY Nautical Dream is the name of our channel. It's a place where we want to share our love for the water, boats, and travel to tropical destinations and beyond. We both share a passion for scuba diving, snorkeling, and walking barefoot on a white sand beach.
enjoying a beautiful sunset, a tropical midnight walk on the beach, or through tall palm trees.
DIY is our keys to adventure of many types. We love boating, there's no doubt about it. But we also enjoy the do-it-yourself part of boat repairs, refits, and modifications of any type. We like to do it ourselves. In doing it ourselves, that is part of the adventure for us.
Underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind.
On the water together, Baby and I are right at home.
We're sailing. We're on our way to Hawaii. 3 days ago we left the U.S. Now we're on our way here.
Baby and I always look forward to our next adventure. Sometimes it's hard to be patient while we're working and saving for our next vacation. We often find our motivation from looking at pictures from some of our favorite vacation spots of the past.
Right about almost now. Okay, now. Here it is.
I give you all of me, and you give me all of you.
It's hard to think of anywhere we would rather be, as long as we are together, sharing our adventures together, walking hand in hand. A big part of doing this video is to introduce our channel to everybody, friends, family, and people who don't know us, and tell you a little bit about us. Some of the funnest times we have are when we're on vacation to some tropical destination, and we're scuba diving. Baby, a few years ago, certified scuba dive. and man, she just loves it. She's taken it up really well, and she dives as well as I do, and we love to go on adventures. And some of our most funnest places diving is Philippines and Thailand, and we've been to those places multiple times and just can never get enough of it. So that's a big part of what we are, who we are, and what we do. And although we like working on boats and fixing and doing all kinds of projects, we also take time to relax and really have fun when we're traveling and do some beautiful scuba diving. So that's also one of the things that we really enjoy doing. And part of our plans for the future is to get um, our retirement sailboat and hopefully be able to retire and sail off and do some diving off our own boat and spend a lot of time with friends and just really learning to relax and enjoy it all.
And you give me all of you. How many times do I have to tell you? Even when you're crying, you're beautiful too. The word is being down and around to every move. You're my downfall, you're my muse, my worst distraction, my red and blue. I can't stop singing it, ringing in my head for you. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give you all to me. I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I'm loose, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me. And you give me all of you. Cards on the
If we always wait
table,
for
we
the perfect
both
timing,
know
we will
it
never end up living our
all.
dreams. The hardest part
Risking
is
it
knowing
all
when to
to
dive in
reach
to start the next chapter of our DIY
home.
nautical
'Cause
dream.
all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give you all to me. I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I'm loose, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me. And you give me all of you. What would I do without your smart mouth? Throwing me in, you're kicking me out. Got my head spinning, no kidding. I can't pin you down. What's going on that beautiful mind? I'm your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'm be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all of me loves all of you.
I hope you're enjoying our nice little stay here on Miniloc Island.
Yes, I am, honey.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome, baby.
Thank you.
Love you.
I love you lots.
nuts. I hope you're enjoying the view. It's a very beautiful view.
Oh yeah. Thank you for making it so special.
Of course, baby. Always. Always. Love you.
Love you.
Yep, pretty rough here. Stay tuned, because in our next video, we begin our search for our next new to us sailboat. We travel near and far, high and low, in our search. Sometimes things aren't always what they seem, and we learn that the hard way. One thing about shopping for used boats, the pictures on Craigslist or Yacht World or any of the other brokerage sites aren't always representative of the current condition of the boat that is going to be in when you see it for the first time. So that's a good thing to keep in mind when traveling great distances to go look at a boat for the first time. Talking to the owner, exchanging emails and descriptions and information about the boat is good and very important, but still getting the first sight of seeing what it actually really looks like after it's possibly been sitting on the hard for a long time or sitting moored at a dock for a very long time. It's not going to be as it was when they left it. If you're going to dream, might as well dream big and find a way to make it happen. Keep your dream alive by talking about it every day, sharing it with your friends, your family, and your loved ones. Making it a part of your life, keeping it alive, and not losing focus. Find a way to stay on the right path, because it won't always be easy. Sometimes there'll be challenges that come in the way. Oftentimes the dream even gets forgotten and lost in the day-to-day realities of life. But always find a way to come back and make it happen. Stay with it, stay with the dream. Another thing about us is we're really the do-it-yourselfer. We will try and find a way. We'll learn how to do it. If we don't know how to do it ourselves, we'll figure it out. We'll watch YouTube videos, and just like everybody else out there, we'll figure out a way to do it and seek advice and buy the tools, whatever we have to do. We don't want to pay somebody to do something that we can learn how to do ourselves. And so that's a big part of who we are, and that's why our channel is DIY, is do it yourself. We want to do things ourselves, and if it was easy, we wouldn't be doing it. Well, it's time to wrap up this video. We thought we'd share one of our most favorites, most beautiful sunsets we've seen, and this is taken from a place called Apulit Island in the Philippines. And what a sight to see. It's so beautiful, so quiet, so peaceful, so many different beautiful colors. Sit back and enjoy. Thank you. Please leave any questions or comments down below. We'd love to hear from you. If you want to know where some of these videos or pictures were taken from, feel free to ask. Thank you. Whoa, big fish. If you like what you see here, please like and subscribe to DIY Nautical Dream as we continue our search for our next new to us sailboat. Also along the way, we'll improve our video editing skills, hopefully. I hope you enjoy. Till next time, see ya!